Hello everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you a very easy and a passive way that I'm actually growing a business model, and that's what I'll actually share with you in this video step by step. So make sure you stay all the way till the end. And this is a system that I have actually doing very successfully, and I've actually got two accounts, but the other account is under my wife's and my name. And this account that I'm going to be sharing with you, it's actually bringing me a lot of passive income, right? Every day I'm just getting sales from it, and that's what I'll be sharing with you, and the exact strategy what I'm doing, right? And just before I share the results, I wanted to do a quick disclaimer that this is not a get quick rich scheme, right? It takes time to build up the system and the business, and this is my results, and I cannot guarantee if you start this business model you're gonna get the results that I'm actually sharing with you now, right? So the system that I'm actually this is my dashboard where I actually get paid, right? Till this day, I've made $5,901. It might not sound and look a lot, but keep in mind this is in US dollars, and I'm actually based in Australia. So everything that I'm doing, actually I get paid in US in Australia, and the conversion rate is just awesome, right? So as you can see, we started this a while back, and you can see just every day I'm just getting consistent income coming into my bank account, right? This is happening every single day. And pretty much if you want to get access to the system, you're gonna click the link in the description section, and then you're gonna reach on this page. So this is the actual system that I'm using to actually get the results that I'm actually getting, right? So this is like a set and forget, but what I'm actually doing, I'm using YouTube automation channels to actually grow this business model, right? So I'm actually getting paid with AdSense, and at the same time, I'm also getting paid through this system that I'm actually plugged into now, right? So what I'm actually doing is I've hired a team, right? You don't need to hire a team, but I hired a team. And actually they're making a video in terms of make money online niche, right? You see this channel here, right? So you see how much views they're getting, right? And they're sharing the strategy, the tips, and at the end of every video we just direct them to our description section, saying like, if you enjoy our content, make sure you check out the best way to make money online, right? And these people actually we actually directing these people from YouTube, and we're getting them to the offer that we're actually promoting now, right? And this is happening automatically, right? I'm getting sales when I'm actually sleeping, and pretty much, which is awesome. And the channel is my channel is also like automated, so I'm actually earning from two ways, right? This is not my channel, by the way. There's a lot of channels like this doing this exact same strategies, and they're getting like huge amount of success. And you see, this channel hasn't started that long ago, right? They started probably 9 months ago, but they haven't been that consistent, right? So but imagine if you just want to do the videos yourself, you can record the videos like this, like what this channel is actually doing, and you're going to get income from YouTube AdSense, and at the same time you can also direct those people to your description section, right? If you want to know my number one strategy to make money, check the description, and that way you can get access to my number one way to earn income, right? So let me share with you quickly about this system. This system is a awesome system, and pretty much it is like really automated. Once you set it up, one sale can turn into 74,000, two sales 149,000, three sales per week 224,000. How many companies do you know that actually pays this amount of residual income, right? And once this actually builds up over time, you start to get that ongoing residual commission, right? 6,000, 12,000, 18,000, right? So just awesome. And the company has been around for about 12 years, and they're doing great things in the world, right? They're feeding the starving kids and everything like that, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I hope you got some value out of this video, and I'll speak to you soon. God bless you, and bye for now.